Welcome back to Holistic Health Remedies. We are thrilled to have you here with us today. Today, I have an incredibly powerful detox recipe that has transformed my body in just 3 days. Yes, you heard that right, just 3 days. Imagine flushing out toxins and shedding those stubborn belly fats effortlessly. Sounds exciting, right? Well, it's entirely possible with this remedy. Let's dive into this miraculous remedy that will get your body back in shape and leave you feeling rejuvenated and full of energy. For this detox drink, we start with ginger, a potent ingredient that heats up your system, boosts metabolism, and burns fat rapidly. It's truly a wonder root. You'll need 2 thumb-sized pieces of ginger. Make sure they are fresh and firm. Grate them to extract all the goodness. This will ensure you get the maximum benefits from the ginger. Ginger is not only anti-inflammatory but also fantastic for reducing bloating and gas. It's a true digestive aid. Next, we'll add the zest of a lime or lemon. This adds a zesty kick to our drink. This citrus element is crucial as it triggers your system to flush out toxins. It's like a natural cleanse. Trust me, once you drink this, you'll be visiting the restroom frequently, expelling all the bad fats and toxins. It's a thorough cleanse. It's advisable to try this on a weekend when you're at home because it's incredibly effective and you'll need the time. Boil some water, around 4 cups, and pour it into a large measuring cup. The hot water is essential. Hot water helps to melt fats, and when combined with these powerful ingredients, it creates a potent fat-burning tea. It's a perfect blend. Let the water cool slightly before adding the rest of the ingredients. This step is important. Now, squeeze the juice from 1 lime or lemon. Fresh juice is always best. Citric acid in these fruits prevents fat accumulation and helps melt existing fat, especially in the tummy area. It's very effective. This powerful juice also adds a refreshing flavor to the drink. It's both tasty and beneficial. For an extra kick, add the juice of 1 orange. This will enhance the flavor and benefits. Oranges are excellent for cleansing and boosting metabolism due to their high citric acid content. They are a great addition. If you have grapefruit, include it too for its strong metabolism-boosting properties and delicious flavor. It's a powerhouse fruit. Once your mixture has cooled, strain the ginger and citrus zest, then add the citrus juices. This ensures a smooth drink. This drink is not only effective for weight loss, but also rich in vitamin C, promoting beautiful, healthy skin from the inside out. It's a beauty booster. Pour your detox tea into a 2-liter jar. This will be your supply for the day. Drinking at least 2 liters of water daily is essential for digestion and overall health. Hydration is key. Water aids in breaking down food, preventing belly fat and weight gain. It's a simple yet effective tool. Try this detox drink for 3 days and witness the incredible results. You'll be amazed at the transformation. Share this recipe with anyone struggling with belly fat or excess weight. It's a gift of health. It's a natural and healthy way to cleanse your system and achieve a fit, beautiful body. Embrace the change. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support means a lot. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, take care.